Hi everyone, in today's video we will be reviewing and trying out Teo Cacao, and I will also be sharing with you 3 easy and simple recipes you can make at home with this cacao brew. Teo Cacao is made from roasted and ground cacao beans, and it makes a great caffeine alternative. Personally, I really like using cacao nibs and powder at home in different recipes, so I really like the idea of having a cacao drink that could be a substitute for coffee. One of the benefits listed for this cacao brew is that it provides you with a softer and longer lasting energy without any jitters or crashes. This applied to me greatly because even though I love coffee, it tends to make me very jittery and it also upsets my stomach sometimes. I tried the cacao brew in different ways, like in my smoothie in the mornings or taking a cold brew with me while running errands, and I could definitely say that I did feel a bit energized, but it never actually gave me any jitters or that sudden rush you feel with caffeine. It actually had a quite comforting and relaxing effect on me. I also loved that it was relatively easy to make. You can use a tea steeper or a French press. I did notice that when steeping the cacao it has a lighter taste than when brewing in a French press. Personally, I prefer to have a stronger taste, so I would use the French press or I would leave it overnight in the refrigerator so I could have a cold brew in the morning. When you brew it, the first thing you will notice is the wonderful scent it has. It has a very rich flavor, but it isn't bitter and it goes quite well with any additions like milk or creamer or any sweetener. The first recipe I'm going to share with you is an energizing breakfast smoothie you can start your day with. In a blender, combine half a cup of rolled oats, 1 banana, 1 cup of strawberries, and 1 cup of the Teo Cacao brew. You can make it a stronger or lighter brew depending on your taste. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey and a dash of cinnamon. Then you blend together until smooth. I really love making this one because it tastes to me like chocolate covered strawberries. For the next 2 drinks, you will first need to make a strong brew. What I did was add 2 tablespoons of the cacao to 1 cup of boiling water, and I let it brew in the French press for about 20 minutes. I let it cool completely, then I poured the brew into an ice tray to make ice cubes with it. For the first drink, combine in a blender about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of the ice cubes, a 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1.5 cups of a strong cacao brew, 2 to 3 teaspoons of Turbinado sugar or other sweetener, and a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg. Then blend until smooth. For the last drink, we're going to make a creamer first. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Here I am using a dairy-free heavy cream alternative. 2 tablespoons of almond milk or your milk of choice, 1 tablespoon of honey or other sweetener, and a dash of cinnamon. Then whisk together until well combined. Add about 1 cup of the ice cubes to a glass and fill it up with 1.5 cups of the cacao brew. Then stir in the creamer. I hope you enjoyed these 3 recipes, and if you would also like to try out Teo Cacao, I will be leaving their information in the description box below as well as in the comments. Thanks for watching!